Hey, how you doing, man? Thanks for clicking through to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what coaching is and what you can expect when you come and work with me as your coach. Now, over the last 10, 15 years, I've worked with so many men on so many different topics, and there's not one topic that was ever the same. So whatever it is you're bringing to coaching, it's all welcome. There's no need to figure out if whatever you're bringing is right or wrong. And whatever stage of midlife you're in, it doesn't matter. It's all perfect coaching territory. We've already established that from a conversation that we may have already had. So how does this work? Well, first of all, we get together on our first call of 6. And that first call is where we dive into what I call a discovery call. I will have already received a bunch of answers to notes that I've sent to you already. So I've already got a blueprint of what it is that you want to get out of coaching in this arc of time. Now, we don't have to have this all figured out at this stage. The first session is all about sowing the soil. It's like preparing the ground for the rest of our time together. We're going to be together for up to 3 months on this journey together. So our first session is unpacking it. It's getting closer to what really matters to you, some of the stuff that you might be stuck on, some of the old patterns that are holding you back. And after session 1, you're going to feel lighter, you're going to feel clearer, hopefully you got a big smile on your face, because this is the first step in taking serious action in creating the life that you want in this next chapter of your life. Now, over a period of up to 3 months, we're going to be doing some deep work. We're going to be connecting on WhatsApp regularly. We're going to be going through some exercises together. We're going to be working on the Positive Intelligence program, which is in another video. We're going to get to know each other on a really deep and I guess intimate level, because we're going to understand each other. My job is to really help you unpack all of this stuff, to get really clear on all of those patterns, the things that you want in your life, the things that you're so done with, and create a plan, an action plan, an actual plan that's going to work and get you from where you are right now, move it into a new future. Now, this is going to be a really interesting process, and maybe you've never done this before. And I'm not going to say it's easy, but it's not difficult. It might get a bit bumpy at times. You're going to put a mirror up to things that might feel slightly uncomfortable, but that's why you're here. That's why you're doing this work, because all of the other stuff that you've tried up until now hasn't worked. The books, the podcasts, the TikTok videos, maybe, all of that stuff has just washed over. You've kind of got to the doorway, because awareness gets you to the doorway. Action is walking through the doorway. That's where the work is. And that's why you're here coming to do this work with me, because this is the powerful, rich work that gets you moving. And I, first of all, want to really acknowledge you for getting to this point. So many men don't even get this far. But you're making a choice. You've made that decision. You've answered the calling in yourself to come and do this work. And I want to really take my hat off to you, man, because not every man does. So if you're ready and you're feeling like a big yes, let's do the work together. I've got your back all the way through this time. It's going to be amazing. So my amazing team have put all the buttons together somewhere under here. So click through, sign up, do whatever you need to do to make that commitment to come and do this work. I really cannot wait to get down to business and start doing this with you, man. It's going to be an amazing journey. Remember, you are amazing, man. I'll see you on that journey.